Body acne is so annoying, okay? And if you have been battling with body acne over the years, you have tried a lot of treatments, you have watched a couple of videos, and you did not get the solution that you needed, and your body acne is not even getting better, rather it's getting worse, then this video is for you. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi Favy. If today is the very first day you see me on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe because subscribing to this channel is absolutely free. Over here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene. I give you guys tips, okay, on how to be that lady that you want to be. And in this very video, I'll be telling you about body acne, causes of body acne, what actually prompts your body acne to, sprout out, and also I'll be telling you the treatment, and also I'll be giving you tips, doable tips that can actually help you to get rid of your body acne in just 2 weeks. So if this kind of video is the kind of video that you're interested to watch, sit back, let's dive into the video. So the very first part of this video will be about the causes of body acne. Now you might want to ask, what are the causes of this body acne? What can I do, or what do I do that will make this acne to appear on my body, on my back, on my chest, on my butt? Yes, I said it. So the causes of body acne are so much, or so many. Number one cause of body acne is buildup of excess oil. You already know that your body produces its own natural oil, okay? And once this body oil that your body produces, keeps piling up, then it will now clog your pores. And once your pores are clogged, you will no longer be, having a fresh skin. Then the acne beneath your skin will now want to come out to the surface. So once you are producing excess body oil, okay, or excessive body oil production, it will lead to your pores being clogged. And once your pores are clogged, the acne will come out to the surface. Another cause of this body acne can be sweat and heat. If you know that you are the workout girly, or you are the gym girly or boy, okay, you normally go to the gym and you work out, and then when you come back you don't even bother to have your bath, then your pores will be clogged because you're already sweated, okay? The sweat on your skin will cause your pores to be clogged, and once your pores are clogged, like I said, the acne will find its way to the surface of your skin. So please, anytime you sweat or you do a strenuous activity, maybe you go to the gym, you go to the market, you go out there, you come back, quickly rush into the shower and have your bath. It's that simple. Because if you keep your body that way, your body will get dirty and the sweat will go ahead to close your skin pores. And most of us don't even know what is exfoliation. We don't even bother to even exfoliate our skin. And in that kind of case where you don't exfoliate your skin and you don't even bathe as you should, okay, you'll be having body acne. So another factor that can actually cause you to have body acne will have to be hormones. Yes, I know you are surprised, because at this point now you'll be thinking that maybe the hormones are just for the acne that appear on your face. As long as your hormones are not balanced and your hormones are acting up, okay, especially as we ladies, once your hormones start acting up, it will show on your skin. It will show on your skin. So if you're the type that normally have body acne, you would want to check your hormones and know if your hormones are balanced. You can go to the hospital to do this, run a test to make sure that you are okay from the inside. I don't know if you're understanding my point. Another factor that can cause body acne for you is you using heavy lotions that are very thick, very thick, not lightweight. That is the reason why on this channel I always recommend lightweight moisturizers or lightweight body lotions, because once your lotions are so thick, they will still clog your pores. The major thing, if you are very observant, okay, would have to be once your pores are clogged, once your pores are closed, okay, you will be having breakouts on your face or on your body, even if it's face acne or body acne. But remember that we're just talking about body acne. So in anything you are doing, make sure that you will not do something that will do what? Clog your pores, because once your pores are clogged, you will start breaking out. So now that you know the causes of body acne, now let us go over to the treatment proper. When it comes to treating body acne, okay, I would always recommend that you buy exfoliating products, whether the body lotions or the body washes, okay? Any product that you're getting, either your body lotion or the body wash, should contain one of the ingredients that should be targeted for exfoliation. because I will not advise that you use physical scrubs on your body, because you know that your body is not even, your skin is not same. You have roughness on your skin, you have acne on your skin. So you going ahead to use physical scrubs to exfoliate your skin will be you causing bruises on your body, okay? You will not go ahead to start bruising your body, and then it will now lead to you having body dark spots. And we know that one of the skin concerns that is very, very, very difficult to treat or get rid of will have to be body dark spots. So for you to avoid that, I would say please do not get your exfoliating products to be in physical scrubs. Just get them to be in body washes and in the body lotions that I'm going to recommend for you. So when it comes to your washes, the very first product I'm recommending for you have to be the Dove Melanin Even Tone 5% BHA, okay, body wash. The particular body wash is from the brand Dove, and we know that Dove is known for its gentle exfoliation, and this one contains 5% of beta hydroxy acid, meaning that it will gently exfoliate your skin. It also contains salicylic acid, and salicylic acid is known for acne, okay? Is that one ingredient that helps to clean up our pores and make our pores to be open, so that our pores will not be clogged. If you notice what I said in the beginning, once your pores are clogged, you'll be having what? Body acne. I know that salicylic acid can actually be very drying on the skin, but because the particular salicylic acid is infused into this brand Dove, Dove is known for its moisturizing, hydrating, and plump effect, qualities. That is the reason why the particular body wash will not be so drying on your skin. And you can use this body wash in the morning and also at night to properly have your bath. If you use this body wash, you would notice that the salicylic acid that it contains will target those body acne and start drying it up. Not just targeting only the acne, it will also help to open up your pores, so that your skin pores will be open and there will be no dirt in your skin pores. That way your pores are open and your pores are clean, okay? The second body wash that can help you to get rid of your body acne will have to be the Medix 5.5 glycolic and lactic acid skin perfecting body wash. This particular body wash contains lactic acid and it contains glycolic acid, and these two are acids that helps to exfoliate our skin. Remember that I said that you would need an exfoliating product, okay? And the particular one contains lactic acid and it also contains glycolic acid. The lactic acid will help exfoliate your skin, yet make your skin to be hydrated and moisturized, while the glycolic acid will focus solely on the acne and the acne causing bacteria that are making those acne to sprout out on the surface of your skin. So the particular body wash is very, very amazing for those who have body acne. It also contains good AHAs and good BHAs that basically work hand in hand to get rid of your body acne and even get rid of your body dark spots, because most times when our body acne heals, it will leave dark spots on the surface of our body, and this particular body wash is targeted for both your body acne and your body dark spots. So it is perfect for those who have body acne. The third body wash that can help you to get rid of your body acne will be the Olay Salicylic body wash. The particular one is very, very similar to the Dove that I recommended, okay, because it contains salicylic acid and it is very, very gentle. It is not that drying. It helps to target your acne. It helps to target your acne pores and dry them from the inside. It helps to, clean up your pores and clean up the acne causing bacteria in your system or on your skin and make them to go away. Once your pores are clean, like, you are good to go. At least you're 80% close to you getting rid of your body acne. And the particular body wash does it, and it does not leave your skin to be very, very drying or flaky or ashy, okay? The next body wash that can help you to get rid of your body acne will have to be the New Skin Glowy body wash. This one is very affordable, but is very, very effective because it contains glycolic acid that would also target your body acne and get rid of it. The last and the final body wash, okay, although this one is not like a wash, I also use it on your face and also use it on your body, will have to be the Panoxyl acne wash, okay, the one that has the 10% strength, okay. If you are treating your body acne, do not get the one of 2% or 5%. Please get the one of 10%, and it will target your body acne and get rid of it. The particular Panoxyl, okay, is creamy, it does not foam. So I would advise that you just, apply it on that particular surface that you are having your acne. Once you are done bathing, maybe using a gentle cleanser or a gentle bar soap on your body, maybe from Dove or Olay or Johnson or Cushion, then you go ahead to now apply the peroxide on that particular spot and then leave it onto your skin for 2 minutes or 5 minutes, depending on how sensitive your skin is. If your skin is very, very sensitive, please 2 minutes is enough. But if your skin is not that sensitive, you can leave it onto your skin for 5 minutes and then go ahead to do what? Rinse it off. Okay, so now I'm done recommending the body washes that can help to get rid of your body acne. Now let me tell you about the body lotions that can help to get rid of your body acne. You remember that I said that once you are treating a particular skin concern, you don't leave the work solely for one particular product to do. You don't just get a body wash and then be like, the body wash should, do the job. No, you have to back that body wash up using a body lotion, so that if this one is treating from the outside, the other body lotion will not penetrate deeper into your skin. Because if you notice, your body lotions are like moisturizers which you leave onto your skin for hours. Okay, so they will penetrate deeper into your skin and then get the job done. So the very first body lotion that can help to get rid of your body acne would be the Amarachi Intensive Healing, the 15% strength. Okay, the particular one contains lactic acid, which is very, very suitable for those who have body acne, and it will penetrate deeply into your skin and get the job done. But if you know that you have a very sensitive skin, please do not get this particular body lotion because it is not suitable for all skin types. If you have a stubborn skin, then you can get the particular one. But if you have a sensitive skin, then I will recommend that you get the Amarachi Daily Nourish. It has the 12% strength. Okay, and the particular one contains glycolic acid and glycerin, which the glycolic acid will target the body acne and the glycerin will help to lock in moisture on the surface of your skin. So that is the reason why I said that if you have a sensitive skin, then you can lean towards this, because this one will help to nourish your skin and also keep your skin hydrated and moisturized, and also get rid of your body acne, because this is the reason why we're even purchasing the body lotion in the first place. The third body lotion that can help to get rid of your body acne is Eucerin Intensive Repair Body Lotion. The particular one contains lactic acid. Also, it contains glycerin, just like the Amarachi that we just talked about now. And the particular Eucerin body lotion helps to gently exfoliate your skin and also lock in moisture and leave your skin hydrated. If you are the type that, your skin is very sensitive, your skin is easily dried, okay, your skin is usually dry or flaky, I would recommend that you go for this, because the particular one will help to get rid of your body acne and also to help to nourish and moisturize your skin. Remember that our target is for your body acne, not even like the nourishment or moisturizing your skin. Although the body lotion is supposed to, give you that nourishment, it's supposed to moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and make your skin to be flawless. But the particular body lotion will penetrate deeply into your skin because it contains lactic acid, and it also helps to get rid of your body acne while giving you that smooth and fresh looking skin. So now I am done recommending the body lotions that can help to get rid of your body acne. These body lotions and body washes that I recommended for you are perfect for those who are dealing or battling with body acne, because they work so well when it comes to getting rid of body acne. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you the do's and don'ts of body acne. If you have body acne and you're still doing this, then you are wrong. Okay, so the very first do's, okay, for those who are struggling or want to treat their body acne will have to be that you're supposed to shower once you are back from the gym, back from the market, back from wherever you went to, and you are very, very certain that you already sweated. Please go into the shower and have a proper bath. Another do's will be that you're supposed to use this exfoliating body washes that I just talked about at least 2 to 3 times every week, and then other times you're not supposed to use it. You can go ahead to use your Dove gentle bar soap on your skin, or any bar soap that you choose to that is just gentle, that will not cause any harm on your skin. So please be consistent with this routine. Do not just do it today and then next week you will not feel like doing it. Please, once you start it, follow it up, and you see that in a short period of time your body acne will be a story of the old. Okay, also moisturize your skin daily using the body lotions that I already recommended in this video, because consistency and patience work hand in hand. If you have to be consistent and you have to be patient, at least in 2 to 4 weeks you're going to be seeing notable results. Okay, what I mean by notable is that you're going to be seeing the acne getting dried up. You're going to see that the acne will be reducing gradually. You know that these things will not just happen like magic. It will take time for it to happen. So you really need to be consistent, and you also need to wear a garment of patience. I always say this to my clients. Okay, you have to be very, very patient whenever you are trying to treat a particular skin concern. So the don'ts of those that have body acne would have to be that you're not supposed to use harsh sponge on your skin. Please use soft sponges so that you will not go ahead to bruise yourself. And please do not use physical scrubs to exfoliate your skin, because you're going to be causing bruises that will furthermore lead to body dark spots on your skin, which is even harder to treat than the body acne itself. Also, do not squeeze or press your acne on your body so that you will not be leaving acne scars on your skin. And there you have it, my loves. These are the products that can help to get rid of your body acne, and these are the do's and don'ts, and these are the causes of your body acne. I really hope you enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed making it for you. Please, if you have watched particular point of the video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video to that one person that you know is struggling with body acne and would want to get rid of it, because this particular body acne can even reduce our self-confidence and make you not to wear certain clothes, like the ones that can expose your hand or the ones that can expose your back, because you don't want people to see that you are struggling or battling with body acne. So please do that person a favor and share this video to such persons. Tell that person that Amarachi Favy just released a video where she talked about how she or he can get rid of her body or his body acne. Leave a comment in the comment section telling me how you enjoyed this video, or the products that you have used as a body acne, if you have used any of the products I have mentioned, and the ones that worked for you and the ones that did not work for you. And turn on the notification bell so that every person get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube. And until next time, my love, stay glowy, get rid of that body acne today, and bye.